Deep cleaning on Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 16ACH6H laptop. Thank you, Sir Robert, for trusting PETIT Solutions. Lenovo Legion 5 units often comes to our shop every once in a while. Lenovo Legion 5 laptops often comes to our repair shop very dirty due to a combination of intensive use, the varied environments in which it is used, the design of its cooling system, neglect of regular maintenance, its portability, and the high-performance nature of its usage. These factors collectively lead to significant dust and debris built up inside the laptop, removing the dried-out thermal compound. Regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial to keeping gaming laptops like the Legion 5 Pro in optimal condition, preventing excessive dirt buildup and ensuring longevity and reliable performance by understanding these reasons. Users can take proactive steps to maintain their laptops better and reduce the frequency of dirt-related issues, making sure each fan blades are clean on this process. Legion 5 laptops need regular cleaning, particularly because they are gaming laptops. Gaming laptops like the Legion 5 are designed for high-performance tasks, which generate significant. This heat needs to be effectively dissipated to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. The powerful cooling systems in these laptops, which include multiple fans and large air intakes, are essential for managing this heat, but also tend to draw in more dust and debris from the environment. The intensive use typical of gaming, often involving long sessions at high computational loads, means that the cooling system is constantly working hard. This increases the likelihood of dust accumulation, which can impede airflow and cooling efficiency if not regularly cleaned. Installing the back cover. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.